Hello friends, this is Hannah's Home Decor. I hope you're in good health and enjoying my videos. So today I am introducing you to the idea of wardrobes or cupboards for a very small bedroom. We tried to bring a multitude of ideas which are functional, beautiful, and stylish and useful at the same time. So there's a lot which you can choose from for your bedroom. Space utilization or the organization of space is the key factor when planning or deciding to make a home. When it comes to deciding the wardrobe, it is the trickiest part of your room decor. Definitely, you have to keep it blended with the room decor, and you have to create a corner which is enough for storing your clothes or the accessories which you want to keep in your cupboards and wardrobe. When deciding your wardrobe for a smaller room, you have to keep how much space you have to give to the hanging part, how much space you can give to the shelves where you can keep your clothes folded. So length of the hanging part and the number of shelves you can leave for folded part measure when deciding style or design. These designs are making much of a smaller space, and they are also providing you some teeny tiny portions for placing some planters or decoration pieces. Some fitted wardrobes with sliding doors or with opening doors with your bed are the best idea, because in this way their color will be blended with the furniture color, and it will become a whole part of the room. Freestanding wardrobes are also a good idea when it comes to very small rooms, and it can be painted in the wall colors which can best suits to the background. Extra space on the top of that wardrobe can be used for keeping planters or other keepsake. Freestanding rails are also a good idea for small rooms, and they can look more boutique shape, and you can section a corner of your room for this purpose. You can use the matching hangers there for a sneaky look. For hanging your bags, you can use the S hooks, and they will make things more trendy and beautiful. Thread wardrobes are also a good idea for smaller spaces, and they can discreetly add extra storage space in your bedroom. Same paint of your wardrobe can camouflage it, and it can make a part of your room furniture that looks amazing. Fitted wardrobe is another option for a smaller room. It can be with sliding doors, and with that you can make the most out of your smaller space. Sliding doors want to make space an issue, um, opening the doors in your room, so you don't need extra space for this. You can slide the door and watch your collection. You need not to open the door and step back. I hope you're liking the content, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. We need your support. This is very crucial for us for our growth and for keep on bringing the videos in future. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. We require your support and subscriptions too. I hope these amazing ideas are helpful for you to constructing or building your wardrobes in your teeny tiny rooms, and they give you an amazing idea of space utilization. How your space can be best organized. Small dressing room or even a wall dedicated to this purpose can serve as a best storage place if organized and planned beforehand. So I hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel. We need your support. If you want something to watch, so please write in the comment section so we can bring that idea in the future. Thank you for staying with us.